This is the Second Skin Light Support Cami. It comes in sizes 32 through 44 and fits bands 26 through 44 or 46. This is really best on cups AA through C, but it can work on larger cups as well. The neckline is a really nice deep scoop, as you can see here. And the fabric is a nice, light, very smooth, soft fabric that really molds to your shape. It also is antimicrobial and moisture wicking. This cami is a little bit longer in its length, so it works great on longer torsos. This is the back of the Second Skin Light Support Cami. As you can see, just really nice clean lines there as well. The straps are a little bit more narrow than the full support straps, but they've got a nice amount of adjustment from here to here. And then they're also convertible straps, as you can see. So if you need to crisscross those for a racer back or different wardrobe options, you can do that. This is the inside of the front of the Second Skin cami. You can see that all of the seams are laser cut and bonded. So the smooth inside feel is just incredible. Let me show you the inside seam right there. See how that's bonded? This right here is not an underwire, but it just gives an added amount of structure to the cups. You can see that this also has molded cups, but not as much cup space as the full support camis. So keep that in mind. That's why this style tends to work a lot better on smaller cups. And then it also has this feature here. You've got a pocket for your petals for nip coverage on this one, and they stay in place beautifully. And then down at the bottom, we have this dot gripper here for keeping this cami nice and secure around your hip line. It's made with surgical grade silicone. And this is the back of the inside of the Second Skin cami. As you can see, just nice clean lines all around. And of course, those straps are convertible like I showed you before on the black.